To prepare your subfloor, you'll need the following tools: a moisture measurement tool, a vacuum cleaner, a trowel, a hammer, a chisel, and a regular or automatic screwdriver. The first thing to do before you install a wooden floor is to inspect the existing subfloor. Any bumps or irregularities on the subfloor will cause problems later on in the installation, so we recommend taking enough time for a thorough preparation. Remove any existing floor covering. For glued subfloors, the existing floor covering must be completely removed. For floating floors, remove any carpet, needle felt, or other non-waterproof coverings first. If the existing floor covering is waterproof, such as PVC or linoleum, it doesn't have to be removed. However, always use a suitable, high-quality underlay. We recommend removing old skirting boards too. You can install new ones once the new wooden floor is in place. Use a hammer and chisel to do this. Check your subfloor for damage or any loose parts. Don't worry about small damage. As long as your subfloor doesn't miss big chunks, you can install your floor safely over the damaged part. Screw down any loose parts. Screw because nailing them down increases the risk of the floor coming up again after a while. If there is a crawl space underneath the wooden subfloor, contact your dealer for more information. After this is done, make sure the subfloor is perfectly dry and clean. Remove all traces of grease, residue or glue. Check for stray nails and carefully vacuum the floor. Check the moisture content of your subfloor with your moisture measurement tool. The moisture content needs to be less than 2.5 cm for cement-bound screed and 0.5 cm for anhydrite-bound screed. Make sure that the moisture content of a wooden subfloor is less than 10%. Not sure about the tools? Ask your local dealer for advice. Check if the subfloor is level. Pro tip: use one of your planks to check if the subfloor is level. The subfloor shouldn't have any irregularities greater than 2 mm per 1 meter and 1 mm per 20 centimeters. If your subfloor is indeed uneven, take your trowel and some leveling compound to even out all irregularities. Remember that using the right underlay will also prevent problems related to small height differences. Need more tips? Then take a look at the other Quickstep tutorials.